Please subscribe my YouTube channel Azimhub.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am good, and you?
I am fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Milan. What's your name?
My name is Hannah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hannah, where are you from?
I am from Japan. What about you?
I am from France.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris. And you?
I live in Tokyo.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old. You?
I am 24 years old. What do you do?
I am a student. What about you?
I work at the hospital.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older sister. What about you?
I have 2 brothers.
Great. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
What is your favorite food?
I love sushi. What's yours?
I really like pasta.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Do you?
No, I don't have any pets.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and watch movies.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy classical music.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Japanese and English. What about you?
I can speak French and a little bit of Spanish.
What is your favorite season?
I like summer. What about you?
I prefer spring.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing tennis. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer. What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook Italian food.
Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy playing guitar and cycling.
Do you like to play video games?
Yes, I do.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a scientist. And you?
I want to be a pilot.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you like reading newspapers?
Sometimes I read the news online.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I have visited Italy and Spain. Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I have been to the United States and Canada.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to relax at home or visit friends.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a morning person.
What is your favorite holiday?
I love New Year's Day.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to run in the park.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
Do you like watching TV shows?
Yes, I like watching comedies.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango. What's your favorite fruit?
I love apples.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I enjoy going to the beach.
Do you enjoy cooking for others?
Yes, I like cooking for my family.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I love learning new things.
Do you like art?
Yes, I enjoy visiting art museums.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar and piano. What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the rose.
Do you like to watch movies at home or in the cinema?
I enjoy going to the cinema.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I grow vegetables in my garden.
What is your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny weather. What about you?
I enjoy rainy days.
Do you like to go to concerts?
Yes, I enjoy going to concerts.
Do you like working in a team or alone?
I prefer working in a team.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy dishes.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream. What's yours?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I love swimming in the sea.
Do you like to read before bed?
Yes, it helps me relax. I read every night.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I love trying new dishes.
Do you prefer hot or cold drinks?
I like cold drinks.
Do you enjoy going to the theater?
Yes, I enjoy theater performances.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I think surprises are fun.
Do you like to wake up early or sleep in?
I like to wake up early. How about you?
I prefer to sleep in.
Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, I like traveling by plane.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I enjoy writing stories.
Do you like to wear casual or formal clothes?
I prefer formal clothes.
I like casual clothes.
Do you like fast food?
Sometimes I do.
Do you like to go camping?
Yes, I enjoy camping in the summer.
I love camping in the mountains.
What is your favorite day of the week?
I like Friday the most.
Do you like to ride bicycles?
Yes, I ride my bike every weekend.
Do you like to read poems?
Yes, I enjoy poetry.
Do you like to take pictures?
Yes, I love photography.
I also enjoy capturing moments with my camera.
Do you like to visit zoos?
Yes, I enjoy seeing the animals.
Do you like to go fishing?
Yes, I enjoy fishing with my family.
It was really nice talking to you, Hannah.
Yes, it was great chatting with you too, Milan.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely, I'd like that.
Have a wonderful day.
You too, take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.